Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We have a 2009 XR650L with a very cool modified seat for low profile. When I took it on the test drive, I can stand flat-footed on that, and usually I've got to be on my tippy toes on a 650L. Nice bike, clear Wisconsin paperwork. It's got 8,400 miles on it. Some aftermarket handlebar risers, but you can see it's got stock grips, levers, everything's still really good and tight. It's got some aftermarket mirrors. Didn't like the way the stock ones rattled. The stock mirrors are down there. Everything on the bike is good, clean. It could use a washing up. I took it for a little ride and it's a little bit dirty, but everything works great. Does have an aftermarket FMF silencer, and that does have a spark arrestor in it that meets the standard for the Forestry Service. Everything works, all the signals and lights. Tank has a few dings in it. Here's one and here's one. I think that's because of the stoppers on this handlebar riser outfit. But let's fire this thing up. Let me choke this. I gotta pull the lever in, so let me set this down. There we go. Like I said, all the lights work, the signals work. Let us know what you need. Exhaust has a nice sound to it. So let us know what you need from our XR to keep yours running. We try to provide parts at a reasonable cost. Again, right now it has 8,400 miles on it. There might be a few more than that when you take it apart, because I'm going to plan on riding this around here for the next week or so myself a little bit. Remember to subscribe down below to see what else we're taking apart. See if you see anything you need. Remember, check eBay, see what we've got listed out there, or you can text me down below and see if we've got what you need to get you riding. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see what we've got.